Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off reading deleted character in our speak input speak keyboard input function in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now, if we want to use our keyboard,
C-A-G-K-H,
when we delete a character,
H delete, K delete, G delete, C delete,
the phone will tell us about it. How to turn off this option to speak our deleted characters and leave the other reading one. So we need to go to settings, then accessibility, next spoken assistance, and in speak keyboard input aloud we have this function right here. By default it's turned on, but we can turn it off right here. Read deleted character aloud, now it's turned off.
J-F-S-H.
And now, as you can see, it's working. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.